Welcome to all of our distinguished guests that are here today. Our students and our staff have absolutely no idea why you're here, and definitely they have no idea why there are all these news stations here.
Lowell Milken, chairman of the Milken Family Foundation, created a program 35 years ago to honor great educators called the Milken Educator Awards. The award says, in a very public way, that greatness in education should be recognized too. And what's so exciting about today is we are here to present one of these awards right here at Ballyshannon Middle School. And the Milken Educator Award goes to Kevin Dailey.
Thank you all so much for welcoming all of us into your school today. I have spent 2 years in the Lieutenant Governor's office, but my entire career I have been a teacher and was last an assistant principal. And I want to tell you that when I was teaching in the classroom, your teacher, Mr. Dailey, was actually doing his student teaching in the same building where I was teaching. So it is a small world, and I don't want to take credit, but I feel like that might be why you got this award today. I'm just saying. But he is a phenomenal teacher. Every teacher that you have is great, and they are great, and they would tell you this because of you.
This is what I know about Mr. Dailey. He works tirelessly in pursuit of supporting his students and his desire to give back to his community. He instills in his students the importance of being good citizens. When 8th graders leave his classroom, they take with them a strong foundation that sets them up for positive experiences in high school and beyond.
A really big shout out I want to give to Linda Fox. She's the reason I'm a teacher. In the 10th grade, I was ready to give up on a lot of things, and she taught me not to. So, thank you.